Makalipas ang 4.5 taon, nagbitiw na bilang Senate President si Senador Juan Ponce Enrile. Inanunsyo niya po ito kahapon, sabay pahayag ng kanyang mga hinanakit sa ilan niyang kasamahan sa Senado na pilit na sumisira raw sa kanyang kredibilidad. Ang pagbibitiw ni Senador Juan Ponce Enrile bilang Senate President, pag-uusapan natin kasama si Professor Winnie Monsod. Maring Winnie, magandang umaga po.
Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, mga kapuso. Alam niyo, mga kapuso, Senate President has only less than 1 month bago magpapalit na naman, magpapasok ang 16th Congress. And at that point in time, talagang magkakaroon ng eleksyon talaga. And so the question is, why did he resign now? Why didn't he wait until July 1? And the answer is, why shouldn't he resign now? Alam naman niya. So in other words, he's still controlling the events. Ano ang mawawala sa kanya sa pagka-resignation nito? Mawawala sa kanya yung the rest of the 25 days or 24 days of mga allowances niya as Senate President. That doesn't matter to him. Pero kung titignan natin ang kanyang speech, itong parts of the speech. First part, kinakuha niya yung, he's sorry about the fact that his son lost. And he thinks that his son lost because of the yung mga paninira sa kanya, mga banat sa kanya. The second issue had to do with the cash gifts in the Senate. Hindi ba nagkaroon ng skandalo yon, yung mga budget, etc., savings, etc. Anong panahon na yon, sinabi na niya at saka ni Lacson, at rini-repeat niya rito, sinabi niya, kailangan bumalik tayo kasi nakita na niya ang kanyang claim, and it is correct, is that nung pumasok siya as Senate President, ayan na ang custom, ayan na ang procedure. And ang gusto nilang dalawa ni Lacson, bumalik sila dun sa, kung gusto mo mag-liquidate, bigay mo lahat ang resibo. Walang, ang sinasabi niya rito, ang implication niya rito, yung mga senador ayaw magsalita na. You know what I mean? They were willing to make him yung scapegoat, but they're not willing to change the custom. Ayan ang sinasabi niya. And the third part is, sabi niya, akala niyo ba na ito magiging quiet na lang and we will just forget it and move on? Ayan ang kanyang warning. Nung mali siya, naku, nag-i-enjoy ako. Sabi niya, naku, this is not going to happen. I'm going to step down of the Senate presidency kasi as Senate President, he has to the honor of the Senate and the dignity, etc. Ngayon, bababa siya. He's going to be part of the, naku.
So ang sinasabi po natin, Maring Winnie, hindi lang siya magiging ordinaryong senador, so to speak.
Alam niyo, yung
We
ordinary...
should watch out for more of Senator Enrile.
Unless, of course, and maybe his opponents hope that he'll get sick or he will die, etc. Because he's old. But I don't think so. I think he is, naku, kung
forced to reckon with pa rin si Senator Enrile.
Oh my goodness gracious. If I were them, I would be, my knees would be knocking because, my golly, kung mag-atake si Enrile, hindi siya nag-a-atake na wala siyang basehan. Ha? I mean, of course, as Senate President, alam niya lahat yung mga accounts na yon. Alam niya. Pero alam mo, Ivan, tingnan niyo, ha? Ang sakit na yan sa Kongreso na magli-liquidate ka, sasabihin mo lang, I spent it on the purpose. Yeah, one line. Hindi ba yan ang nangyari sa Comelec rin? In other words, every single agency of the government has that kind of confidential fund. It's high time. The people, and I hope now that Enrile is there, he will lead the fight against it.
Balikan lang po natin yung punto dun sa pagkatalo ng kanyang anak na si Jack Enrile. No? At some point, napakataas po ng popularity at approval rating ni Senador Enrile. Pero mukhang na-diminish ito hanggang masamatalo nga yung anak niya.
Ayun nga ang sinasabi niya. Sabi niya, yung attacks ni Miriam, hindi niya minention si Miriam, pero alam naman natin lahat na si Miriam yon. Yung attacks ni Cayetano, yung attack ni Trillanes, itong mga young Turks na, ayan, so those are the three that he is going to go after when they... And then, of course, the attacks on Jackie na yung kanyang pagpapatay daw sa mga tao, etc. Yeah, and it's hard. And notice that si Enrile never said a word during the campaign of his son. In other words, kasi Senate President siya, he was trying to be above it all. Ayan ang nangyari. You know, he made no attempt. Some people say, because talagang nangyari yon. And the others say is because he was trying to keep the dignity of the... Who knows? Ito mga politics ito. Basta, alam ko, there's only one thing I'm sure of. If Enrile is healthy, he's going to come back and he's going to make the lives of those people, Miriam and Cayetano, miserable.
Yan, at yan ang magiging kaabang-abang sa papasok na
Of course.
16th Congress.
Yeah.
Ano po? Maraming salamat, Professor Winnie Monzon.
Okay, and I also want to say congratulations, Mr. Enrile, for a job well done. He did a good job.